we have this Genova, and it's yellowfin tuna. This is one of my favorites. So hello everyone, and welcome to the back garden yard kitchen. Today we're going to do another cooking video. People seem to like the cooking videos, and if you like them, please leave a comment and let me know anything else you want to see me cook in some of our favorite southern recipes. But tonight we're going to be cooking tuna tomato salad. That's right, we are going to use the fresh tomatoes and some fresh ingredients, and we're going to make a tuna salad that'll make your tongue slap your brain. So let me go ahead and let's get started. I'm going to show you the ingredients. I'm not going to show them at the end of the video. I'm just going to show them now, and then we will go ahead and combine them, and I'll show you how it looks. So the first thing we're looking at, of course, is some lemon, and then we're going to chop some onion. We have a cucumber. We have some fresh lettuce. We have 2 tomatoes. We have some walnuts, roasted walnuts. We have this Genova, and it's yellowfin tuna. This is one of my favorites, just so delicious. You can get this at Walmart, you can get it at Costco. And then we also have some Mount Olive sweet relish. And then the last ingredient, of course, is good old Duke's mayonnaise. And once again, you don't have to use all these ingredients to make this salad. This is just what I particularly like to put in mine. You can vary them according to your own taste. But anyway, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put these tomatoes into this boiling water so we can peel them very easy. So we'll go ahead and get those in there. They're only going to stay in there 1 minute. All right, there they go. And while they're in there, we'll come over here and we'll chop this onion. And that's good enough. Now we're going to take the tomatoes out and let them cool for a few minutes while we're mixing the rest of the things. We can cut the water off. We're finished with the water. Okay. Now we've got our mixing bowl, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to open the tuna, and there's oil. It's actually olive oil on top. We're going to have to pour some of that off. We don't want that much liquid in there. Okay, and now we are going to just take the tuna out. All right. So we'll go ahead and we're going to add the onions we just chopped. That's about 1/4 of an onion. And now we're going to add a tablespoon of the Mount Olive sweet relish. You can use any brand. I just particularly like the Mount Olive, and that's a tablespoon. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of Duke's mayonnaise. That's a nice tablespoonful. We'll throw that in there. And then the last thing we're going to add is going to be the lemon. And we're just using a nice slice of lemon. We're going to throw that in there. And then we're going to add some chopped walnuts. Usually I just add about a handful, And to chop them, I just crush them just like this. And there we go. Okay, now we're just gonna mix it all up. Oh, that's already smelling so good. It's not even heated up. All right, I think we've mixed it enough. Now we're going to peel the tomatoes. And to peel the tomatoes, now that we've already made the skin soft, you just have to peel like that and the skin will just come right off. And you can just do this with your hand. And we just want to cut the top out of it, like so. Okay. Now the next thing we want to do is take this lettuce, and we're going to take the lettuce and we are going to just kind of cut it into bite-sized pieces. Well, I just like to tear it into bite-sized pieces and lay it out on the plates. Now this is a recipe that will feed two. So if you got to feed more, you need to use more than one can. But this recipe is strictly for two people to eat a dinner out of the tuna salad and tomato. Okay, and there we go. I've got both plates now are sitting nice. Then we're going to take the cucumber and we're going to slice it into circles. And then we're going to lay the cucumber around the plate in the salad like this. And then finally we're going to take the tomato and center it into the lettuce and cucumbers. And then we're going to slice it almost all the way down, and we're going to go ahead and quarter it, but not all the way through. And then we're going to make it into eighths. We're making bite-sized slices like that. And we're going to put a little salt and pepper on them, tomatoes. And then we're going to add the tuna salad to the middle of the tomato. And there you have it, folks. Dinner for two in just no time at all. And this is so delicious. You just won't believe how good this is. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you did. And we will see you on the next video.